Assalamualaikum. I'm Nahi Awasi. Now I will talk about third person. He eats mango. She eats mango. Peter eats mango. Stella eats mango. Bina eats mango. Nafo eats mango. He writes letter. She writes letter. Bina writes letter. Peter writes letter. Stella writes letter. Nafo writes letter. He goes to school. She goes to school. Lara goes to school. Bina goes to school. Stella goes to school. Peter goes to school. He plays football. She plays football. Lyra plays football. Stella plays football. Bina plays football. Nafo plays football. She drives a car. He drives a car. Bina drives a car. Nafo drives a car. Ariba drives a car. Ayat drives a car. He draws a picture. She draws a picture. She plays badminton. He plays badminton. Lyra plays badminton. Peter plays badminton. Thank you.